The 2024 edition of Social Media Marketing serves as a comprehensive guide to navigating the rapidly evolving landscape of online marketing. Written for digital marketers, business owners, and entrepreneurs, the book is packed with strategies for leveraging emerging trends, advanced technologies, and data analytics to thrive in the social media space. The book focuses on the key developments of 2024, particularly the rise of new platforms and changing user behaviors. Readers are guided through creating compelling content tailored to their target audience and building an effective marketing strategy. A significant portion of the book is dedicated to the importance of storytelling in social media marketing. It emphasizes the need for authenticity and engaging content to connect with users on a personal level. This strategy encourages followers to become brand advocates through electronic word of mouth, EWAM, and viral sharing.
An important trend covered in the book is the growing influence of video marketing, which has become a cornerstone of social media success. Marketers are encouraged to adopt short-form video content on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels to maximize engagement. Alongside video, influencer marketing continues to be a dominant force. The book details how to select the right influencers for your brand and optimize these partnerships for maximum reach. Automation, powered by artificial intelligence, AI, is another crucial aspect of modern marketing. The book delves into the use of AI-driven tools to streamline campaign management, personalize content delivery, and analyze data more efficiently. This allows marketers to make real-time adjustments and improve performance outcomes. Additionally, the book offers practical advice for using analytics to guide decision-making. It explains how to interpret key performance indicators, KPIs, such as engagement rates, impressions, and conversions to assess the effectiveness of campaigns. By relying on data, marketers can optimize their efforts and ensure a higher return on investment, ROI. Finally, Social Media Marketing 2024 includes real-world case studies that illustrate how brands have successfully navigated these emerging trends. Each case study offers valuable insights into building a digital presence and engaging with online communities. In summary, Social Media Marketing 2024 is a must-read for marketers seeking to stay ahead of the curve. By embracing new tools like AI, adopting effective influencer strategies, and prioritizing data-driven content creation, this book equips readers to succeed in a highly competitive digital environment.